Hey, welcome to the Hamza Real Podcast, the show where we uncover the secrets of success, productivity, and personal growth. I'm Hamza, and today we are diving into one of the most crucial aspects of success: morning routines. How do successful people start their day? What habits set them apart from the rest? Stay tuned as we break it all down. The power of a morning routine. Ever wonder why some people seem to accomplish so much before lunchtime while others struggle to get going? It all comes down to how they start their day. Many of the world's most successful people, from CEOs to athletes, have structured morning routines that set the tone for a productive day. Research shows that a well planned morning routine can boost focus, reduce stress, and increase energy levels. It is not just about waking up early, it's about what you do with those early hours. Common morning habits of successful people. So, what exactly do high achievers do in the morning? Let's break it down. First, they wake up early. People like Apple CEO Tim Cook and Oprah Winfrey rise before the sun to maximize their day. Early mornings offer quiet time to focus without distractions. 2. They practice mindfulness or meditation. Many successful individuals, including Jeff Wenner, former LinkedIn CEO, swear by meditation to clear their minds and set intention for the day. 3. They exercise, whether it's a morning jog, yoga, or strength training. Regular exercise helps boost energy, improve mood, and enhance focus. 4. They read or learn something new. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett dedicate time to reading. Lifelong learning is a priority for those who continue to achieve great things. 5. They plan their day. Writing down priorities and setting goals helps them stay on track. Successful people don't just react to their day, they plan for it. 6. They eat a healthy breakfast. Fueling the body with nutritious food provides sustained energy and mental clarity throughout the day. How to build your own productive morning routine. Now, that we know what works for successful people, how can you implement these habits into your own life? Here are a few tips. 1. Start small. You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow and do everything at once. Begin by adding one or two positive habits. 2. Be consistent. Routines only work if you stick to them. Try following your morning plan for at least 30 days. 3. Customize your routine. Not every habit works for everyone. Pick what resonates with you and your lifestyle. Prepare the night before. Set out workout clothes, plan your breakfast, or write down your goals the night before to make your morning easier. So, your morning routine plan for success. If you want to start your day like the most successful people in the world, follow this structured morning routine to boost productivity, enhance focus, and set the right tone for your day. Step 1. Wake up early. You can wake up from 5:30 to 6:30 a.m. Choose a wake up time that works for your schedule and stick to it. Avoid hitting the snooze button to maintain consistency. Allow your body to adjust by gradually waking up earlier if needed. Step 2. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Start with deep breathing or a short guided meditation. Set positive intentions for the day ahead. Step 3. Move your body. Engage in a physical activity such as stretching, yoga, jogging, or strength training. Exercise boosts energy, improves mood, and enhances focus for the day. Step 4. Fuel your mind. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or learn something new. Focus on personal development, industry trends, or a topic of interest. Step 5. Plan your day. Write down your top three priorities for the day. Review your schedule and set clear goals. A structured plan helps you stay organized and proactive. Step 6. Eat a healthy breakfast. Choose a balanced meal with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Hydrate by drinking water or a nutritious smoothie. Step 7. Get ready for the day. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and prepared. Listen to motivating music or affirmation as you get ready. Bonus tips: prepare the night before. Set out workout clothes, meal preparation, and outline your goals. Stay consistent. Stick to your routine for at least 30 days to build a habit. Customize to fit your needs. Adapt the routine to match your lifestyle and priorities. By following this morning plan, you can create a structured and successful start to your day, just like high achievers. And success doesn't happen by accident, it is built through daily habits and intentional routines. By refining how you start your day, you set yourself up for greater productivity, focus, and well being. What is one habit you would like to add to your morning routine? Let us know. And if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to subscribe and share with someone who might need a little morning motivation. Thanks for tuning into the Hamza Real Podcast. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and start your day with a purpose.